Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and today we'll be returning to my BTS Map of the Soul Persona nail art series for an encore. Start off by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. I'm using Untitled Chapter base coat, which I always link in the description box. Then paint your index and thumbnails a light pink, your middle fingernail a peachy pink, your ring fingernail hot pink, and your pinky fingernail a cool pink. So if you have not already caught on, each of these nails corresponds with one version of the physical copy of the Map of the Soul Persona album. So of course for the index fingernail, I followed the design on the version 1 album. So I apologize for how little of a narration there will be in this tutorial just because there's not much to say about this design. I just followed exactly what I saw on the album covers themselves. And for the thumbnail design, I started by splitting the nail into 4 equal sections. So I started with this bottom left corner here, and I made it that peachy pink color. And I'll basically just be filling this nail up with the different colors of the album. Always start with a thin brush just to mark the boundary of that section, and then use the brush in the bottle itself to fill it in. Starting with the bottom right, we have the lightest pink, which corresponds with version 1, and then to the left of that, we have the peachy pink, which corresponds with version 2, and so we are going clockwise, and that goes version 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And now I'm going to be top coating all of my nails with a glossy top coat, and essentially what this does is that it protects and also evens out the design because glossy top coat is a lot thicker than matte top coat. And now I'll be going over all of my nails with a layer of matte top coat, and now the design won't smear because we have the glossy top coat that protects the design. And finally, I just traced over the chrome hearts with glossy top coat, and essentially what this does is that it brings it off of the matte background and makes it pop. Also, comment down below what your favorite design from this series was. I had a lot of fun doing this series, and I've always been curious about what people thought was the best design or the one that they related to or connected with the most. And also just let me know how you felt about the logistics of the series itself, like the length of it, the time that I posted each of the videos. Just let me know down below, and I would love to use your feedback to improve my future content. Lastly, I added a big chrome dot in the middle of my thumbnail and added top coat on top. So that is the official end of my BTS Map of the Soul Persona nail art series. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this series for the past few months. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will be back with a new series very soon. Bye everyone!